Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, weekend Saturday, Sunday, February the 10th and the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved 4 puzzles in this puzzle page: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary, and it's time for the last one, the Tectonic number 7978. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 17. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle, maybe 2 stars. 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes here in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be there. 1 and the 3, 1 and 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box of the triple box, is the number 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Triple box, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me check. Here we have a quadra box in the L shape. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, this box can be 2, but also cannot be 1 or a 3. So 1 number left should be the 4 then. Okay. So the 1 and 3 are left here. Could be everywhere. Okay. It should be also 1 or a 3. 1 or a 3. Okay. Here another quadra box. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more? No. Of the same kind of shape, no. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Yeah, the L shape, mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So one box left with the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So so one box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those. This box can be a 3, this box can be 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 to 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Well. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Then, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And now I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. So 1 digit left in this area for now. 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright, and now let me think. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I've marked this box with, well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then this box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and the final 2 numbers of this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finished in 10 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 2 stars, should be a 1 star, maybe a 0 stars. Well, 0 stars need to be faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one here, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So until then, bye bye for now.